light bulb or not. Right, in this video, so I'm going to have to change all my Honda Civic Mark 8, the lights, the main beam. You check them out, make sure they're coming on or not. What a time to go out. So, but it wasn't coming on earlier. Nothing was coming on, not the main beam wasn't on earlier at all. So let's switch everything off. Let's do a light. Right, so oddly enough, 10 minutes later, go and turn on the parking lights. That comes on. So parking lights, and then the front of the car shows me the lights are on. If I look at the front of the car, so that's odd. So we go to the front of the car, check the main beams, and both the light bulbs are on. This one, that's the main driving nighttime one, that's on as well. That one there is looking alright. This one here is looking dim, the parking light. To change the brake lights, I'm going to change this one, and this one's gone on this side. So they're both brake lights. Another proper look. It was not on earlier. You saw that, folks. It's not on. It's not on.